Hi, Terry Kirkham from globalauctioneers.com. Under instructions from Mr. Gavin Morton of Morton & Lee Insolvency in Brisbane, we have two major online auction sales which includes framing, manufacturing equipment, manufacturing tool benches, workbenches. We have a large range of warehousing pallet racking. We have a 2017 V8 Toyota Land Cruiser and assorted equipment that will suit different types of businesses in manufacturing and warehousing operations. We've also too got a scissor lift and a large range of framing stock that would suit picture framing businesses around Australia. A part of this auction sale, we have plastic moulding injection equipment. The line originally has been in operation. Currently right now, it has been dismantled and can be ready to move. The equipment that is here is available on a how is and where is basis. To find out further information about this online auction sale and to join the online auction sales, please head to www.globalauctioneers.com.